To set up a Do Not Disturb mode in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find sound and vibration options. Inside we need to look for the Do Not Disturb mode, select it, and then you can turn it on and off with this option. First one on the top. Then there's the option to only use it when device is locked. That means if you lock your device with the power button, it will work. If it's unlocked, then Do Not Disturb mode won't work. Then there's the option to notify about calls, so you can manage who will be able to play a ringtone when he calls you, basically from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or none of them. Then there's the option to notify about repeated callers, so if somebody tries to call you 2 times during a span of 15 minutes, then the call sound will go through when this option is on. Then there's the option also to schedule a Do Not Disturb mode for a certain time. As you can see, I've already made one of the schedules for sleep, which will toggle automatically my Do Not Disturb mode from 23 to 7 on every day. You can add your own rules right here. You can name them however you like. You can change the start time, end time, and repeat time wherever you want. And you can also remove them by clicking and holding on one of the schedules and then click on delete rule. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.